Hey, what's up, guys? I'm making a video today to share my surprise that came in the mail today. It was a really big surprise. I've been waiting for this surprise for about 2 years, and it's called the Humans Headphone. And they're an innovative company. This is their first product, and they've been working on it since like 2015, 2014, since before the AirPods. And here you got the stylish apple covered slime drip, however you want to say it. But yeah, this is the headphones. It's really nice and slick, the size of an ear if you were to take it apart. And yeah, you just open it. They're magnetic. They say these nice things when you open it, and I can't wait to try them on and stuff. But yeah, you take off the packaging. It's just like the Apple kind of packaging. They really got inspired, and they're drowning in that stuff. They're drowning in apple slime, you know what I'm saying? So, oh, this thing is blinking blue, so I think it's alive. Holy crap. Okay, I'm ready to use this. I'm ready to go outside and listen to some music and see how it goes. For the tech specs, I'm not gonna really talk about it. I was waiting for this 2 years, alright? So I'm thankful for Human to actually, I feel like it was just gonna be a scam and stuff, but all we need to do is just wait, let them do their time and hear these awesome headphones. So I'm gonna put them on. This is some local music of Atlanta music, the trap stars out here. So yeah, let me see how this works. How do they feel? So they, of course, this came with the chargers, the actual wireless headphones, and what else? The sizing attachments. That's what I was gonna say. Basically about the sizing and the travel case. So travel case, I bet it's even cooler. But here we go inside this cool box. Here's a charger cable with USB-C, and then the traveling case. It's pretty nice. It's like some type of synthetic, fiber. You just put it in, kind of like your glasses. Sunglasses. You just fit them in like that. And bam! I could go with them anywhere. Fit pods, fit attachment pods. Alright, so we got everything here. Beautiful packaging. I love how elegant it is. It's really harmonious. The unboxing, the uncovering of this is beautiful. I love it. If I could just try to put this all back quickly. Anyways, let's fit them on. We'll take off this one too. Alright. This one says here the right side. And just a piece of plastic basically, you know what I'm saying? Just covers their ear and gives you some nice audio. What am I hearing? Wow, that is really cool how this works. Alright, let's see what I could do with this. This is amazing. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just take out the fit guide. Say they go like this. I'm not sure how they're supposed to fit in my ear. So the A2. I'm trying to fit this in. It's weird. I'm expecting it to be, seamless, but I think it's actually really like I might most likely have the size on wrong because it's not fitting. So let's see what we got. These ones.
My family, they my ops. Cooking, watching, roll round the pot, then they gon' shop. Playing with the spider, they pull up and then they chop. Niggas round funny, we cook up the bunnies.
I don't know if Steve Jobs and the Apple AirPod team decided to go for the design that goes over your ear. How the hell? How?
I step in the woods with the guys.